Hi, this is Robbie, and today we're just showing an unboxing of a Indonesian watch, the Athaya vintage AV002 diver. Now, this is a homage to the famous Seiko 61058110 dive watch of the 1970s. Now, this watch, as I said, came from Indonesia. It comes with a nice leather casing, as you can see here. It's a traveling watch box, very nice, made out of leather. So you can put a lot of stuff, not only watches but pens and sunglasses and so on and so forth. Now the watch comes with a rubber strap that looks close to the original. But the most important thing is the fact that the casing itself was the famous turtle casing, as you can see here. Now it has a Japanese movement, the NH35A, which has a date yield, but I chose the dial without any date aperture because this will make the dial look more symmetrical in my that's my personal taste. Now, there's nothing spectacular. As you can see at the crown face, there is some graphics. There are also some graphics at the case back, which shows a whale hunting scene. As far as this watch is concerned, if you want to get a homage of a 6105 but more modern make with a sapphire glass, crystal, and so on and so forth, I do recommend this particular brand. Not that very not expensive, and I think it's really value for money. I do recommend that. Thank you for watching. Like this channel, follow this channel, more videos later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.